Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, my friends. On this occasion, we will offer a pleasant trip to the Nipur country, which is a currently quite a highlight on a culinary stunning scenic landscape. Before introducing first, we are from the high flying trip. I am Christoph Panindra, my friend Uswatun Hasanah, and Dini Septiani, who will explain as well as guide during the trip later. So we're going to the Thailand, which is a famous for its historical and unique place. We will make a trip in early December to be aware to destiny of visitor at the destination so that the trip is more comfortable because December also coincides with 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 the Christmas holiday and also the year-end holiday. We will depart from YIA or Yogyakarta International Airport on the December 2, 2024 by using Garuda Indonesia to Soekarno-Hatta Airport in Tangerang. This trip, there is a transit for approximately 14 hours. So we will stay at a hotel around the airport, namely the Prima Hotel Airport Terminal Jakarta 1A. We will stay for a one night. We continue to our journey the next day on the morning of 3 December to Suvarnabhumi Airport, Bangkok, Thailand, and we arrive in the afternoon at 1 p.m. and we'll go directly to the hotel that we will stay in Bangkok, the namely Pratunam Atrium Hotel. The advert that will be get when staying at the hotel is a one room will be occupied by one person with a king bed and also breakfast. After doing this, we will head to the first destination. Uh, this is the first destination. To support all the trips or activity while in Bangkok, we also provide car as a transportation that can be used together for the benefit that will be obtained when we flying using Garuda Indonesia service, where we'll get 13 kilograms of lunch, 7 kilograms of cabin, get food, entertainment, and also comfortable seats. When traveling back, we also use Garuda Indonesia with the same benefit and service, and will we transit approximately 18 hours and we will stay in the same hotel when making the first transit at the departure is the Prima Hotel Airport Jakarta Terminal A1 without the breakfast. Okay, next slide will be presented by Oswatun Hasanah. Time is yours.
Okay, I will continue our presentation. During our 4-day trip to Thailand, we visit 10 amazing tourist attractions and culinary spots, each chosen to showcase Thailand's unique culture, rich history, and vibrant flavors. For first day in Bangkok, our journey begins with a flight from Yogyakarta to Bangkok. Once we arrive, we'll start by exploring the Grand Palace and Wat Prago, home to the revered Emerald Buddha, followed by a visit to Wat Arun, known for its magnificent riverside location and towering spires. Bangkok, being Thailand's largest city and a major transportation hub, is the perfect place to kick off our adventure. For lunch, we will dine at On Lupyun, known for its nostalgic classic dishes. Dinner will be at Chin Ching Seng by Inet Dai, offering authentic Thai cuisine in a traditional setting, perfectly introducing us to the local culinary delights. Next, for Day 2 in Pattaya. On the second day, we'll journey from Bangkok to Pattaya, a drive of about 2 hours. Our first destination is the Sanctuary of Truth, a remarkable wooden temple carved with intricate detail that reflect Thai mythology and spirituality. Then we'll explore the Pattaya floating market, where we'll experience shopping on channels and sample local food. For meals, we'll dine at Triple B Cafe, a cozy spot that serves fresh, colorful dishes. Dinner will be at the place 168, known for its modern Thai fusion menu and vibrant atmosphere, enhancing our time in Pattaya. Next, for day 3 in Ayutthaya. After Pattaya, we'll drive approximately 1 to 2 hours to Ayutthaya. Here we'll explore Ayutthaya Historical Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site full of ancient temples and ruins that rival Thailand's rich past. We'll visit Wat Mahat Hat, famous for the Buddha head and wine in Three Roads. For meals, we'll visit Kuih Tiao Rapale, a local game known for its flavorful Thailand noodles, and later to a restaurant where we'll enjoy a relaxing dinner with traditional dishes reflecting Ayutthaya historical charm. Next, for day 4. In Hua Hin, after Ayutthaya, we'll head south to Hua Hin, about a 3-hour drive. In Hua Hin, we'll spend some time at Hua Hin Beach, enjoying the coastal views and relaxing by the sea. In the evening, we'll explore the Chichada Market, a lively night market filled with art, craft, and mouth-watering street food. Our meals will include a visit to Dead Shop, a popular eatery known for its friendly vibe and local flavors, giving us a taste of Hua Hin unique charm. Next, for final day in Khao Yai and Kanchanaburi. Our final day takes us to Khao Yai National Park, famous for its breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and waterfalls. We'll then continue to Kanchanaburi to visit the historic bridge over the River Kwai, a meaningful site that pays tribute to those who worked on the railway during World War II. This last part of our journey brings together nature and history, rounding off our trip with unforgettable experience. Each day's meals and destination have been thoughtfully selected to offer a complete experience of Thailand's diverse culture, cuisine, and history. From Bangkok vibrant street to Hua Hin's peaceful beaches and the historical wonders of Ayutthaya and Kanchanaburi. Our journey will showcase the best of Thailand, making it an unforgettable adventure. Okay, for next slide will be explained by Dini Septiani. Time is yours.
Okay, next slide. Vehicle. Okay, next slide. Destination planning. Our goals to Thailand is to visit several destinations in the country of Thailand. These destinations include the following: 1. Bangkok, 2. Pattaya, 3. Ayutthaya, 4. Hua Hin, 5. Khao Yai, and Kanchanaburi. With this destination in mind, we will take you to the place in this destination. Next, 1. Bangkok. Our destination is Grand Palace and Wat Prachuap and Wat Arun. 2. Pattaya. The place we will visit is Century of Truth and Pattaya Floating Market. 3. Ayutthaya. There are 2 places, namely Ayutthaya Historical Park and Wat Mahathat. 4. Hua Hin. 2 places, namely Sisada Market and Hua Hin Beach. 5. Khao Yai and Kanchanaburi. There are 2 places, and on this day we are last in Thailand. The place is Khao Yai National Park and bridge over the river Kwai, Kanchanaburi. Next. Destination development. 1. Grand Palace, Wat Prachuap and Wat Arun. 1. Improve infrastructure, transport access, public facilities, and convenience around the site are improved, including a boat ramp on the Chao Phraya River for access to Wat Arun. 2. Restoration and maintenance. Regular conservation is carried out to maintain the authenticity of the buildings and the clean lines of the environment, including limiting the number of visitors during peak times. 3. Cultural and educational tourism. There are educational tour programs and cultural festivals such as Songkran and Loi Krathong to enrich the tourist experience. 4. Digitalization. Digital guides and travel aids help travelers with information and navigation, while online marketing attracts the younger generation. 5. Environmental sustainability. Plastic reduction, tree planting, and counseling on keeping sites clean are prioritized to keep tourism sustainable. Next. 2. Century of Truth and Pattaya Floating Market. 1. Access and facilities. Transport and public facilities improve for traveler convenience. 2. Maintenance and conservation. The wooden structure at the Century of Truth needs to be regularly maintained for safety, and the clean lines and arrangement of the canals are maintained for safety at the floating market. 3. Cultural tourism. Educational tourists at the Century of Truth and displays of local culture, specialties, and performance at the floating market. 4. Technology and digitalization. Digital guides and online marketing were used to expand visitor outreach. 5. Sustainability. Environmentally friendly efforts such as plastic reduction and wood conservation are made. Next. 3. Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya Historical Park and Wat Mahathat. 1. Access and facilities infrastructure to this historic site needs to be improved with better parking areas, toilets, and information centers aimed at visitor convenience. 2. Site conservation. Regular maintenance is carried on to maintain the authenticity of the building, including restoration of shrines and temples to keep them safe and sustainable. 3. Education and culture. Educational tours are provided to give an insight into the history Ayutthaya. Cultural exhibitions such as annual festival and historical performance aim to attract tourists. 4. Technology and digitalization. Digital guides, apps, and QR codes that assist tourists in learning more about the history of the site. 5. Environment and sustainability. Effort of maintain clean lines, waste management, and plastic reduction are made to preserve the environment. Next. For Hua Hin, Shisada Market and Hua Hin Beach. 1. Access and facilities. Infrastructure to Shisada Market and Hua Hin Beach is being improved with improvement to transport access, parking, toilet, and other public areas to make travelers more comfortable. Or 2. Cultural tourism experience. At Shisada Market, there is more space for local artists to display arts, crafts, and culinary specialists, and more events and performances are held. Hua Hin Beach is laid out with recreational areas, water sport, and equipment rental for travelers to enjoy more activities. 3. Clean lines and sustainability. Efforts were made to keep the beaches and market clean, including plastic reduction programs and tourist education to protect the environment. 4. Technology and digital marketing. Digital guides and online promotion were enhanced to make tourist information and even easily accessible. Next. Next slide. Back to Mbak Wukir.
Okay, thank you, my friends. So, to Thailand for 5 days using Tour Indonesia, staying in a 4-star hotel and 10 destination can be, guys, just pay 13 million. Just get this best over until the end of this November. So let's join us. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.